No? Okay, so what we're going to do now is a two-tone fine in a deep red and yellow. It looks really, really nice. It's already second coated. So it has this first coat, the base coat, it's in white. The second coat's in red. I'm going to do the third coat in red, and then the fourth coat in a yellow color. Okay? That's how we're going to do it. Come back with our red. All nice and tight. Circular motions. Oh. This red is very watery.
Why is that material very watery?
Because they use universal tints for this one to get this deep red. So it makes it very watery. But some products are watery with some tints, some products are thicker with other tints. It's just the nature of the beast. So you guys will get some runny material. There's nothing wrong with the material. It's just watered down more. So you just got to work with less on your trowel. And just be careful and make sure you cover up the floor really good. And you'll be fine. Okay. Now what you gotta do is you're gonna come back and burnish in some areas only. You don't want to burnish all over the place. Just in some areas. So the fourth coat to the places that are already burnished is not gonna really grab onto because it's gonna be slippery because it's burnished. So the areas that I didn't burnish, the yellow is gonna catch more into it. So I burnish it in some areas, not the whole thing. Come back with the yellow, nice and tight. All nice and tight. Always in circular motions. Okay, so now I'm gonna come back and burnish it. So if this was a big wall, you'd be doing 2 feet at a time. 2 to 3 feet at a time. You're gonna want 2 trowels. One for the red and one for the yellow to keep everything nice and clean. And this keeps it more uniform, you know, it keeps it more authentic. If you're missing a spot, I put a little bit of yellow here to fill in that little corner piece I missed. It's fine, you can come back and overlap it. Come back, do a little pre-burnish. You take off the tape, so you see the difference. Now I'm going to show you how shiny it is. You see it?
Mm-hmm. A little higher. We're not going to go through that again, are we?
That good?
Yeah, good.
Okay, it's beautiful. Then when this is dried, I would seal it with like a soapstone sealer. And that's it, finito.